Good day viewers, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching. Viewers, today I want to speak to you again about the H6 Haval. This one will be HEV specific. I want to speak to you about the basic maintenance, what to do, where to check, those type of things. If you're not really a DIY guy, I think this will assist you quite a lot. So let's get in and enjoy. Okay guys, I'm standing out of shot so you can see the engine clearly. I'm going to point out a few things that you need to check in this vehicle. First of all, this is your washer fluid. This is for the window washer. Spraying nozzles, you need to put in water here quite often. Guys, what I do when I fill up, not every time, now and then, I put a little bit of car shampoo in, just to make sure that when I spray, the wipers don't go dry, and to make sure that whatever I want to remove from the windscreen gets removed. Pure clean water, it's not going to do the trick. You need to add soap. That will help for that. This bottle here, your vehicle's electric motor sits here under the airbox. This is the coolant bottle for that, for the electric motor. This is the coolant of the radiator itself, this one here. Okay, you need to check that those are full. Guys, do not fill these with any coolant. Make sure that you have the correct one. If either one is low, get in contact with your dealership. Make sure that you purchase the correct fluid from the dealership before you add here, and make sure that you add them to the maximum line. Make sure that you have identified where the maximum line is and you do not overfill them. Very important. Okay guys, this one is the dipstick down here. I'll go through that one now. I want to show you that this is the engine cover. Sometimes you need to inspect that everything is okay down here. In order to do so, you need to remove this engine cover now and then. Okay, I'm going to also show you how to do that. How do you check your brake fluid? Where is your brake fluid bottle? Let me show you. Your brake fluid bottle is hidden away behind this compartment. Let me show you. It has two tabs here. You need to lift them up, pull them out, lift it up, pull it out, pick the cover up. There's your brake fluid reservoir. Let me show you the level. I've taken the camera out of the tripod. There you can see the brake fluid level. Okay, you do not immediately add as soon as you see it goes lower than max. These levels will drop as your pads get worn. The moment that you install new pads, this level will come back up. Don't always immediately fill. When it gets low, then you fill up. But that is fine. You leave it like that. Okay, in order to reinstall that cover, it has two lips down here, so that you push it in like that first and then the top part. Let me show you. Put it in at the bottom first, then at the top. Okay, I want to just indicate to you, you can see that these plastics are quite dry. What I want to highlight to you is I am a firm believer of putting dressing on plastics. I used to apply trim dressing on all my engine parts every week or every time that I wash the car. But you need to know that when you do that, it's going to attract dust, and it's going to attract dust severely. So I have grown not to do that every time. I will, however, apply dressing now and then, but I do not always have it on. We are entering the winter months in South Africa now, which means it's going to be dusty. Our raining season is in summer, so in the winter it's dry, it's dusty, it becomes dirty down here, so I prefer not to have dressing on the engine during that time. And I am a type of person that likes to keep things clean, so I don't like a engine bay that is dirty. Okay, but apart from that, let me remove my cup of coffee there, and then I'll show you how to remove the engine cover. Okay, viewers, to remove the engine cover is quite easy. It has 4 prongs situated there, and there. And all you do is you pull on it. So you pull straight up. There's 1, 2, there's 3, and 4. You'll see this is a soft sponge. And you'll see that there's more sponge on the engine. Why is that? It keeps the engine quiet. That's all it is. It keeps the engine quiet so that you don't have a massive amount of engine noise. These are your boost pipes from the turbo. The turbocharger is situated back here. Okay, that's the turbocharger. So have a visual inspection. You need to remove this cover in order to add oil. We add oil here. Okay. Let me show you how to check the oil of this vehicle. So what happens is you never check oil on a cold engine. You always make sure that the engine is warm. You need to drive it first, then park it, leave the car to stand for 5 minutes, then you pull the dipstick. And the car has to be on a level surface. Okay. What you do is you pull the dipstick completely out and wipe it as you pull it out, like that. Make sure the dipstick is clean. Okay. Okay. Locate the pipe. Insert the dipstick. There you can see. That's how you do that. Wipe it off. If your oil doesn't look good, it doesn't smell good, guys, take the vehicle for inspection at the dealership. If your oil is less than 10,000 kilometers old and you pull out that dipstick and the oil is black, take your car for inspection. Okay. There's where the prongs goes in. There. There. There and there. Okay. It's easy. Put your fingers there. You can see these ones goes in there. Locate them on the pins. Bam. Done. That's done. This here is the vehicle's fuse box. You press this tab, pull it up. On the other side also. There's the fuses. If anything should blow on this car, there it will be. And all these fuses will be highlighted in your owner's manual, which is what they do, everything. Okay, there they are. And here is your electric motor. There's the gearbox of the vehicle, is this one down here, that one there. This one is the electric motor. You'll see all these orange wires in any electric car. These ones here also. These orange wires are always the high voltage cables that runs from the batteries to the motors. So that's something to keep in mind. One more thing of interest. You'll clearly see here is a cut mark, and there's a little fire brigade helmet. It shows you that the fire brigade, if there's ever an issue, they need to cut this wire. You see? And that wire is located behind the left front headlight. Interesting. Okay, I believe this is the vehicle's ECU, the electronic control unit, and also under this airbox cover you can clearly see there's the electronic gearbox with a motor on it. This vehicle has a 2-speed gearbox. You will notice when you drive at 73 kilometers per hour, normally it changes to second. Have a look at your tachometer. One more thing I wanted to show you guys. The hybrid HEV version of this vehicle has what you call an electric air conditioner pump. The pump is not driven off any bells, which means it doesn't take energy from the internal combustion engine. It only consumes electricity from the battery. Otherwise, the aircon will not be able to function when the car is in EV mode. Which means that the air conditioning in this vehicle does not consume any fuel whatsoever. So you can just leave the aircon on. How cool is that? Let me show you. Let me focus there. That motor that you see at the bottom there, that is your air conditioner pump. Trying to get focused. This high tension cable here, this is from the batteries towards the air conditioner pump. They are situated at the bottom. This pulley here is not connected to that air conditioner pump. Open your bonnet and see for yourself. That's an electric air conditioner pump. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like, comment and subscribe if this is the type of content that you like. It's free, you have nothing to lose. Guys, keep well, stay safe. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.